Namaskar. As we age, we should take a special care for our diet because as we grow, proper nutrients have to be there in our system. Otherwise, it can create problems. Sesame or til is a seed that is an excellent source of healthy fat, protein, B vitamin, minerals, fibers, antioxidants, and other beneficial plant compound. Owing to its multiple benefits, it should be an essential diet component as one grows older. According to Ayurveda, sesame, til, balances the Vata dosha in a person. Sesame oil contains linoleic acid, palmitic acid, and stearic acid, and it is used for body as well as head massage, which is called as abhyanga. Today, let's understand some benefits of sesame, especially as one ages. First, sesame seed has a rejuvenating quality. It makes person physically stronger because it contains calcium, which strengthens one's bones, muscles, and joints. It is also a good source of plant-based protein for vegetarians. Second, sesame seeds are an excellent laxative. As one grows older, constipation is a common complaint. Sesame improves digestion and helps in a smooth bowel movements. Third, sesame seeds can prevent neurodegenerative diseases. They contain phenolics such as lignans, which has a very high antioxidant properties. Reduced oxidative stress may help prevent diseases such as Alzheimer, memory loss disease. Fourth, sesame seed promotes heart health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. The monounsaturated fat and a polyunsaturated fat in sesame seed helps to maintain a good cholesterol and to lower bad cholesterol. Phytoestrogens, which includes glycanin in til, may help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis as one grows older. Fifth, sesame seed improves your appearance. The vitamin E and oil in sesame seed is good for aging skin and hair. These seeds repair damaged cells and thus improves the texture of your skin. Chewing sesame seed is also excellent for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. Sesame seed is available in the form of seeds, powder, paste, and oil. Let us see some healthy recipes which we should include in our diet. First, sesame til based ladoo. Take 1 cup sesame seed, 1 cup de-seeded dates, half cup milk, and 1 teaspoon ghee. First of all, roast sesame seed with a very slow fire until it becomes light brown. Blend date and milk to make it into a thick paste. Mix sesame seed date paste and ghee and roll small portion of this mixture into a round ball and enjoy the ladoos. A second recipe is sesame oat pancake. Take 1 cup oat flour, half cup sesame seed paste, half cup jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half cup curd, 1 teaspoon honey, little salt to taste, and milk required to make a nice batter. Roast oats flour slightly on the pan. Now in a mixing bowl, add oats flour, sesame seed paste, jaggery powder, baking powder, curd, and salt. Now keep adding little milk to have a pancake batter consistency. Now heat a pan, brush some oil on it, pour a little batter at a time, and make pancakes on a low flame. While eating, drizzle some honey over it. Third is sesame seed chutney. Take 3 tablespoons roasted sesame seed, 2 tablespoons peanuts, half cup grated fresh coconut, 1 cup chopped red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon tamarind, and salt to taste. Place sesame seed and a coconut in a blender. Mix roasted peanut and tamarind, red bell pepper, and salt. Blend all this ingredient into a smooth and fine consistency. Blend all these things well. Serve this chutney with dosa, idli, or paratha. Although there are several benefits of sesame seed, one must remember not to consume sesame seed in excess because it can lead to hiccups and breathing difficulty. It can lead even to loose motion. Those who have sesame seed allergy should avoid all these things. In the olden period, kings used to use sesame seed oil, massage it on the body. As we grow old, skin also gets thinner and drier. So, massage of till oil on the body works wonders. We should be massaging the oil on the body before taking bath, and that would help retaining the moisture in the skin. Water will not dry the skin further. So, try all these things and see as we grow, we should have good amount of strength, stamina, enthusiasm, and every old person also would look really elegant if excess wrinkles are not there or sadness is not there on the face. So keep smiling, keep happy, and attend to your body as you age. Namaskar.